Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with fast, high-impact actions. First, toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then off to quickly reset radios. Once done, restart the Pixel to clear transient software states that block network negotiation. Next, eject the SIM tray and reseat the SIM. A loose contact or tiny debris often causes loss of signal. Do this before deeper steps because it solves most simple failures and saves time if hardware contact was the culprit. Now move into configuration and system-level fixes. Open Settings, Mobile Network, confirm preferred network type, LTE/5G, and verify APN matches your carrier. Mismatched APN prevents data. If issues persist, reset network settings to wipe conflicting profiles. This restores defaults for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile. Also check for carrier settings and Android updates. Carriers push fixes that resolve authentication and roaming problems. Finish by isolating the problem source. Try a different SIM in your Pixel. If the other SIM works, the issue is carrier provisioning or a SIM defect. Call your carrier to reprovision the line. If both fail, consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing up data. Before resetting, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps causing radio conflicts. If network works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. If problems continue, seek repair for potential antenna or motherboard faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.